Have you ever had potato chips that is this crunchy at home? Wait, let me show you how I made this. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, thank you for tuning in. And today I'm going to be making potato chips. So firstly, I want to rinse my potato because that's the start ingredient of today. So I'm going to be using a peeler to peel my potato first. Now that it's all peeled, I am going to go ahead to cut it into two, so it's going to be much easier. So I want to use this peeler. Let's see if it's going to give us what we want. I'm trying it for the first time, and let's see if it's going to give us the desired shape and how it's going to look. Right now it's kind of difficult to cut this thing. I'm not finding it easy, so I don't think it's the right equipment to use. The shape is not bad, but still it's not the best for it, so I'm going to be dropping this and trying another one. So I'm going to try to use this small but mighty peeler. Let's see if it's going to be the better option. Yeah, this is much more better. It's doing the work. Yeah, this is okay, just that you just have to be more careful so you don't hurt yourself. And there's another bigger one that can be used. I think that one is going to be much more easier than this smaller one, but yeah, this is giving me what I want, so I'm just going to go ahead to make use of it to slice all the potato I have right now. Hi guys, please kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel. You can also drop a comment of what you think down below. Thank you. So right here I'm also trying to try using knife and see, but yeah, it's not bad, but I think I prefer the peeler, so I just want to use the knife and see what it looks like. But I'm still going to go for the peeler. That's much more better. So yep. So now we are done with it. I'm going to go ahead to rinse these potatoes, wash them and rinse them, so to get them ready for frying. I added a little bit of salt into the potato, so just for it to like soak with it before frying it. Make sure the oil is quite hot before putting the potato. I decided to put onions just for flavor. If you don't like onions, you don't have to put it. It's not a must, but I just want to put it. So I'm going to put my potato to let it fry till like it's golden brown. Now our potato chips is ready. It's crunchy and it tastes so good. It's just a perfect snack that you can always have in your house. Let me know if you trying this at home, and thank you so much. Thank you for sticking around till now. So I'm just going to like put it in this little container, and I'm going to see you some other time. Bye for now.